Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to render this lehenga. So first I'm using Cobalt blue shade from Touch Cool marker to fill this area, large area. Pay attention that there should be no left patches in this area, okay? Go very smoothly, take your time, but do it properly, okay? Okay, that area is filled. Now I'm using natural oak color. I'm using natural oak color to fill this area. This area is very small, so do it very carefully. It should be not smudge, okay? To fill such tiny detail, now I'm using color pen. To fill that border area, I use Uniball golden pen, okay? To fill this area, now I'm using orange pen in this area. To make it more realistic, I'm using Uniball pen in this area. For it will create embroidery. Now I'm using light blue pen. To create folds, I'm using the same shade color in Staedtler pencil. Okay. Now I'm using a natural brown pencil in this area. Okay. From Montmartre to create more shadow. Pay attention to the shadow area, guys. Pay attention to that area. It should be look realistic, not like a flat. Now I'm using the same shade in light color. To fill that border area, I'm using golden pen. To create this shadow area, now I'm using hatching technique. Okay. Now I'm using again the brown color pencil until I have the final result. Now I'm using the white pencil from Montmartre. Now, so here the final result. Hope you like this video.